The politics of coalition in Maharashtra is heating up with old allies bickering over seats in polls that are barely days away. While the BJP and the Shiv Sena continue to play hardball on one hand, the NCP and the Congress are indulging in politics of ultimatums. Both alliance partners gave each other 24 to 48 hours to respond to their respective proposals and said they were prepared to fight the elections alone. BJP has rejected the final offer made by partner Shiv Sena on seat sharing for Maharashtra elections. The Sena in its latest offer made yesterday proposed 126 seats for the BJP, 155 for itself and leaving 7 for the Swabhiman Sangathan. The latest rejection puts further strain on the alliance as the latest formula was viewed as the last attempt by the Shiv Sena to save the partnership. Meanwhile, the BJP Parliamentary Board will be meeting this evening in presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, where a final call might be taken. All of last week was spent in an exchange of tough words and brinkmanship with leaders, admitting that the 25-year-old alliance was in deep crisis.
शिवसेना के प्रमुख माननीय उद्धव जी ठाकरे इनकी अभी मैंने मुलाकात ली है। उद्धव जी को मैंने ये बताया आज दोपहर में शिवसेना की ओर से एक प्रस्ताव हमको प्राप्त हुआ था। उस प्रस्ताव पर हमारी कोर कमेटी ने विचार किया और हमें ये लगा कि उस प्रस्ताव को अगर हम स्वीकारते हैं तो पिछले बार जितनी सीटों पर हम लड़े उससे भी कम सीटों पर हमको लड़ना पड़ेगा और हमारी मांग तो ज़्यादा सीटों की थी। इसलिए मैंने उद्धव जी को कहा है कि हमारी कोर कमेटी इस प्रस्ताव को स्वीकार नहीं कर सकती क्योंकि पिछले बार से इससे हमको कम सीटों पर लड़ना पड़ रहा है।
चर्चा हो रही है गठबंधन की। चर्चा शुरू है। नया फॉर्मूला उनको दिया है। उसके ऊपर चर्चा हो रही है और निश्चित रूप में अच्छा निर्णय।
कल से हम ब्रिज बनाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि भाई ये दोनों भी अलायंस बरकरार रखना चाहिए।
Joining me live for more on this is Headlines Today's Amrita Sherge from Mumbai and Kamaljeet Sandhu from New Delhi. Amrita, coming to you first. The deadlock between the BJP and the Shiv Sena continues. Is there a meeting that is going to take place today with the Shiv Sena? What is expected out of that meeting?
Amita, this is the third day and the seat-sharing conflict between the 25-years-old alliance Shiv Sena and BJP is still there. Now today, Uddhav Thackeray has called the meeting of all the leaders and workers from Shiv Sena from all over the Maharashtra. The meeting will start in some time. This is considered as an important meeting as yesterday Shiv Sena had given new formula to BJP in which Shiv Sena said that we want 155 seats. We will be giving BJP 126 seats and others and the remaining seats to the other alliance parties, small parties. But BJP rejected that by saying that we want more seats, but Shiv Sena has clearly said that we cannot give you more seats as we will not come down than 150 seats. So that is the conflict is still there. Now also you can see that Shiv Sena workers are gathering here. The meeting will start in some time. This is an important day because there is a possibility of some outcome will be here. Now also we can say that all the leaders, Sanjay Raut, Shiv Sena leader, has come here and all the leaders are gathering here. But as we know that BJP want more seats, Shiv Sena is not ready to give them more seats. BJP earlier had given 12 hours ultimatum. Shiv Sena said that we do not believe in any ultimatum. So somewhere the deadlock is still there. Series of meetings are taking place, but individually in BJP office in Shiv Sena. So there is not a possibility that if we are looking forward that there has to be some common meeting between Shiv Sena and BJP, then only some outcome will find some outcome. But now the meeting will start in some time. Uddhav Thackeray will come here in some time, and after that we'll get to know what are the details of this meeting. Back to you.
Right there, Amrita. Crucial day today. Coming to you, Kamaljeet. Now we believe there is going to be a committee sitting in the evening today, the BJP committee. What do we expect out of that meeting today? The BJP rejected the 126 formula by the Shiv Sena yesterday.
Well, definitely the spin doctors are going to be at work, and remember this is a 25-year-old alliance, and obviously a lot of trouble for both Shiv Sena as well as BJP, and it is only a matter of sheet sharing. And obviously with the performance of the BJP in the general elections, they would want to have a larger share. Now what is really troubling Shiv Sena is the sort of demand that is coming in from BJP. Even in the strongholds of Shiv Sena, they want to have their own seats. So obviously this is something which has not gone down really well. Both the parties taking to to their own stance. One is not willing to give in, the other is not willing to budge out. So definitely there is a stalemate there, but obviously there are going to be spin doctors, there are going to be party leaders who are going to sit through this. We tried to speak to Nitin Gadkari over this weekend. He was obviously very tight-lipped and obviously we're not very happy with the remarks in Samna. But this is not just about egos, it's also about a battle of prestige, and obviously BJP feels that they have done much better in general elections. They deserve a larger stake. The Shiv Sena is not willing to give it out. So they'll really have to come to a compromise, or they'll have to actually hold out to a post-poll alliance in that matter. But right now all the options are open. It's finally left to the BJP parliamentary leadership to really take a call as to what they really want to do.
Right, that Kamaljeet and Amrita, thank you very much for joining us on this big breaking news story.